Hey kids, look at all these animals. Let's learn their names together. Baby elephant. Are you my mommy? Are you my mommy? Baby cheetah. Are you my mommy? Are you my mommy? Green frog. Snake. Shark. Baby dolphin. Octopus. Bluefish. Mother duck. Lion. Crab. Dog. Crocodile. Blue shark. Seal. Hippo. Horse. Monkey. Cow. Pig. Pelican. Yellow shark. Whale. Baby whale. Baby seal. Camel. Turtle. Spider. Walrus. Lobster. Scorpion. Giraffe. Zebra. Penguin. Orange fish.